tutorial is going to be about how to add natural stone like marble, granite, limestone and much more. Let's get started. Once you log in, go to the left top corner, the three-line icon, click on Manage Products and then click on Create New Product. Click on the category section and select your category, Natural Stone. Enter the product name, Indian White Marble, 20 mm. Choose your brand. You can type in or scroll down. If you don't happen to find your brand, type in generic and choose the warranty period of your product. That's 1 year. Choose your specification. First, the type, marble, color, white, the thickness of your product, 20 mm, and the usage area, whether it is indoor, outdoor, in the wet area. Let's choose indoor. And the source, Makrana, India. Moving on to the variants and prices, select your variant type based on your product, whether it is slab size or thickness. Let's choose slab size. Enter the variant value 10 into 6 feet. Minimum order quantity, that is the least your customers can order at the given offer price, and unit of measurement, that is square feet. Currency and price per unit, 350. After discounted price, 320. Click on Add Variant if you have another set of marble. Select the variant type, slab size. Enter the variant value 8 into 6 feet and the minimum order quantity, unit of measurement, square feet, price per unit, and after discounted price. Moving on to the product description. This is what describes your product in detail so that the buyer has a better understanding before he buys your product. And now the product keyword search. You can add up to 5 keywords here. This helps your buyer find your product easily using the keywords marble. Make sure you press enter after each keyword. White marble, enter. Indian marble, enter, and so on. Product media, add images, add clear image so that the buyer has a better understanding about your product. Open the file, click on add image, open your folder. You can add up to 5 images here. And this is your product data sheet. Click on add PDF. This helps the buyer understand your product more technically. Open. And now click on create product. And that's it. Your product is now live on UnlockCivil to get more leads. See you in the next video.